Hi there, this is Zach Curtis, and just want to create this screencast talking about the API that I chose for my project. I chose the moviedb.org. Um, it's a movie API that allows you to search by movies and get detailed information, very similar to the IMDb that everybody's familiar with. Um, the it's a pretty flexible API. Um, you can in the URL, you can specify what format that your call is, that your HTTP request is. So it can be XML, YAML, or JSON. So that's pretty nice. Um, Getting the API key was pretty easy. They have a request form that you can fill out. It's just kind of interesting because you fill the request out and then it sends you a link confirming the status of your API key, but there's not really a status on that page. And so you just sort of see your request hanging out on a page and it doesn't really tell you what's going on with it. So I think it took them about 5 hours um, to get me an API key. So it wasn't too bad. It worked out pretty good. So, all right, I'll go ahead and jump into my application here. The Mine's called Flick Finder, and it's just a really simple app for searching and finding information on movies. Long term, the vision is that it will become uh, not so much replicate the IMDb just to get information, but more so to uh, find a movie right then and there, kind of instead of having to search through a bunch of movies. You can maybe put in a mood or put in a genre that you're looking for, or, comedy or whatever. So let me just get this running here. You can see this hasn't been themed yet at all. It's not skinned. This is just the alpha project, so it's very very basic at this point. The You can see that the application on purpose is very simple. You just come in here and do a search. In this case for Transformers, and it just gives me really basic information about the movie. Movie posters will appear here when it's skinned, and all I do is click on the details, and then it goes out and loads the image and gives me the rest of the information. So again, since it's not skinned, it doesn't look all that good right now. And then the user at this point has an option to go back to the results, or they can click the more online, and they'll actually pull up the details of um, the moviedatabase.org site with the details of that movie on there. So if I wanted to know information about what it grossed and what the budget was and things like that, then I can go kind of get that on my own. But the focus here is that I can pick a movie based on my search results. So that's about it.